This video demonstrates how to import references from Web of Science into EndNote. So in Web of Science, I'm going to do a simple search for bats. And as you can see, it's brought up a number of references for me. And I'm just going to choose a few at random. And then I'll scroll up to the drop-down Export menu and select EndNote Desktop. And I'd like to make sure that I am choosing author title, source and abstract before I click on Export. And then after a few moments, a file will appear bottom left, and if I click on that, I'll be taken into EndNote where I'll be able to see the 3 references I just selected coming in to the Imported References area. You can import references from other databases into your EndNote library, but there may be differences. So where it says Save to EndNote Desktop in Web of Science, it might say something like Import into EndNote in another database. If you're not sure how to import references into EndNote from the database you happen to be in, please do consult the database guides. For more help and advice about using EndNote, please visit the library website.